Markets are under some pressure. I was looking at the mid-cap index. That's also under some pressure, but a couple of stocks should come up for you. Godavari Power and Ispat. Let's get that stock up for you on the screen. And Sarda Energy. Both these two stocks, they are trading in the green. Now, reports suggest that pellet prices have moved up. Have they moved up? By how much have they moved up? Well, we have Mr. Manish Sarda who joins us currently on the phone line. Hi, Manish. Thanks so much for joining in. Well, give us, a broad number. We know there's a bit of a shortage in terms of iron ore globally because of Valley shutting down capacity. But how much have pellet prices moved up in the last 10, 15 days or so?
Hi, Nigel. The pellet prices have moved up by 18% in the last 15 days.
You believe this is sustainable?
At least in the short term, it looks to be good.
So what is the last tender? The last tender of pellets have gone at what price?
Last?
The last rate, your last shipment or the last...
So the current prices are 7,000 rupees.
7,000?
Ex-Raipur, yes.
Okay.
And then a few days back, 10 to 12 days back, this was hovering around 6,000 rupees.
Okay.
And the last traded prices in the export market was $124, $126. And today the Chinese iron ore futures are up by 8%.
Okay.
On the upper circuit. So we are looking forward to the new prices coming out within probably a day or two.
How much was it earlier? The $124, $126 per ton of exports is what we were talking about. What was it earlier?
Before that, it was roughly around $98.
90. Oh, okay. So internationally, the prices have gone up by a faster clip, is it?
Yes.
Okay.
And China is importing a lot from Brazil.
Okay.
As well as the Middle Eastern region, the North Africa, MENA region.
Right.
There also the pellet capacities have shut down by Vale.
Okay. Right. Manish, you're saying that the pellet prices are higher. You're saying globally also it's moving faster. Now to your company itself, how many, what's your revenue coming in from pellets? What's your volumes of pellets, your capacity and utilization?
So our pellet capacity is 600,000 tons. And we are producing full 600,000 tons.
Okay. And so what could be the incremental gain? Because raw material costs as well have gone up. So how much of your coal requirement you get via linkage at a fixed rate, and how much of your iron ore you get from captive sources? So then accordingly, the price increases, either they will be passed on and you gain totally, or there'll be some compression as well. Go ahead.
No, we have our iron ore capacity, which is 500,000 tons, which comes to us from our own captive mines.
Okay.
And the coal, we are having our linkages, which is to the tune of 70% of our requirements.
So iron ore, you're totally backward integrated?
We do buy, due to rainy seasons and disruptions, we do have to buy tonnages from the open market. But we do get roughly 500,000 tons a year.
So 500,000 would be how much of your total requirement?
It's almost 50% of our requirement.
50%.
All right, so you're partially integrated. With the extra money that you make from this, are you looking to repay your debt? What's the debt on your books right now? Close around 1,000 crores, I believe?
Our long-term debt on a group level is around 1,400 crores. And we are going to go as per our schedule of repayment. We are not doing any early repayments of the debt. And out of this debt, 550 crores is for ongoing expansions which are happening right now.
So you won't be repaying any debt in the near future? In the coming year, FY20, is there anything on the schedule to be repaid?
All the repayments are on schedule.
Well, what is it, but? Well, what is the amount?
Are on schedule. I don't have the exact numbers right now with me.
All right.
But all the repayments, the group repayments on the debt side are on schedule, and we are not doing any prepayments.
Okay. All right. Manish, thanks so much for joining and giving us all those details. Well, there was plenty of debate out there. How much a pellet price has moved up? That's the management, one of the producers of pellet, in our country. And he's saying that the pellet prices have moved up by close to around 18% in the last 10 to around 15 days odd. So keep an eye out on a couple of stocks, Sarda Energy as well as Godavari Power and Ispat. They'll be on the stocks on your radar till the party lasts. That's till the prices they sustain at these levels.